Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Recreated. Thank you for being here, I appreciate it. So today, guess what we're having? Chicken. I'm on a chicken kick. So I'm going to have some seasoned chicken in a delicious cream spinach sauce. Oh, so good. No, I'm just gonna have it with that, but this would go so well, like mixed in with your favorite kind of pasta. So I would definitely pair it with that. If you don't want to have just the chicken and the cream sauce, like I'm doing, you could also have it with rice or with a vegetable. But yeah, so let's just get started. I'm super excited for this one. It's gonna be delicious. I love cream spinach. So let's just go. All right, let's go. Okay, so for those of you that know me, you know I always take a chicken breast, cut it in half and pound it so it's flat. So I did that here for our chicken. So we're gonna cook our chicken before we start on our creamed spinach sauce. So my little go-to seasoning for chicken is salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and crushed red pepper flakes. So I'm gonna do that on this side, on the other side, and we're gonna put them in the pan. Okay, so we're gonna put the chicken seasoned side down, season the other side, cook them for 3 or 4 minutes each side until they're nice and done. And we'll put on a delicious cream spinach. Chicken's done. We added a couple tablespoons of butter to the same pan. Now we're gonna add about a cup of chicken stock. And a little more than a cup of heavy cream. I'm going to do about a cup and a half of heavy cream. So we're going to let this mix together for a little bit. And then we're going to add some grated parmesan. All right, major fail. I totally forgot to saute my garlic and onion that I have. Such a fail, but hopefully it'll taste as I just added it in because I mean I need that flavor. So yeah, don't do that. And I did like 3 cloves of chopped garlic and a small onion diced, like cut really chopped really fine, because you don't want like big old chunks, you know. Like, see if I can show you. Anyway, don't do that. Don't forget to do that. So after you take the chicken out and you add your butter, put in your onion, cook it for a little bit, and then your garlic, and then add the chicken stock and heavy cream. Big yikes. Okay, this is cooking up really well, so we're going to add in our half a cup of grated parmesan so the sauce can thicken up a bit. And then we'll put in our baby spinach. Okay, now we're gonna add spinach. And I'm gonna start with probably 4 cups because it's gonna, you know, as you know, it's gonna shrink down a lot. So I'm kind of eyeballing it, but this is about 4 cups. There we go. All right, let's let it shrink down. Okay. So yeah, just take your tongs and a spoon and move the spinach around to get it to, you know, come together. So now we're just going to add in the chicken. And I'm going to just kind of spoon some sauce over it, get it nice and covered. And basically that's it. I'm going to let it simmer in here for about 5 minutes, but that's it. And so I'm not doing pasta, so that's why I added more spinach. So if you were going to do this with pasta, which is amazing, I think you totally should. Like a nice penne pasta would be good, or whatever, even spaghetti, whatever you like. Use a little bit less spinach so you have more sauce to kind of coat the pasta with, or double up on the recipe, whatevs. All right, you guys, so that's basically it, because this is what we're gonna eat is like this. So okay, let me plate it. Okay, let's plate this up. I love my spinach. So, I'll put some cream sauce over it. Okay guys, pretty simple. Simple dinner dish, but could definitely go well with rice, with pasta. I'm just gonna have it like it is. Oh my gosh guys, it's so good. You gotta try the sauce, it's delicious. Even if you don't want spinach, just have the cream sauce with chicken and pasta or rice or whatever. But this is good, super delicious. Try it guys, bye.